Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to introduce you to the Carbon Emission Calculator tool. This is an essential tool for estimating the carbon footprints of your shipments based on your logistics operations. It works for the sea, land and air shipments and follows the ISO 14083 principles. In just a few seconds, you can make your supply chain more eco-friendly and sustainable. Let's explore the tool. First, head to CO₂ Calculator section on our website. You will find a simple interface to input the details of your shipment. Start by entering your departure and destination points, which can be cities, ports, airports, or stations. The tool's autocomplete feature helps you quickly select the most precise routes. Next, choose the shipping type: sea, land, or air. Once you selected the transportation mode, fill in the transportation by and container type fields. These details will help the tool estimate the emissions for your specific shipment. Once you input all necessary information, you will get a list of available carriers for your destination. The list includes exact carbon footprint for each carrier. You can even compare the carriers to find the greener shipping option for your needs. The tool also gives you insights like historical emission data, carrier performance, and emission control zones, among the other factors. Below which results, you will see suggested carbon offset compensation. This is automatically calculated based on your cargo weight, the route distance, and the chosen carrier. You can instantly include the compensation when you execute your shipment, contributing to greener logistics. If you're ready to book, head to SeaRates.com and leave your request for a quote. Don't forget to include carbon offset compensation in your booking form. This way, we will help you get affordable carbon compensation and a green logistics proposal tailored to your needs. If you need more calculations per month, you can upgrade your subscription plan by clicking on Subscription button in the top right corner of the tool. Let's summarize. The CO₂ calculator takes into account the following factors to ensure accurate results: route coordinates, transportation mode, shipment and container type, cargo weight, carriers or shipping line. Our CO₂ calculator is built according to the Global Logistics Emission Council Framework version 2.0, which guarantees compliance with ISO 14083 principles, the official standard for calculating carbon emissions in supply chains. You will find all the benefit details of the CO₂ calculator right under the tool on our landing page. For added convenience, we offer web and API integration. Web integration, you can easily embed the CO₂ calculator into your website. For more advanced needs, our API allows you to automate carbon footprint calculations and track emissions directly in your system, making it easier to manage green logistics. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave your feedback in the comments below and follow us for more updates. If you have any question or need your customized CO₂ calculator, contact us!